Time is all we have. This moment, right now. Time is a force that is not meant to be tampered with, because what you are living in right now is all you have. And this is a secret that many never realize until it is too late. There is only one thing in our lives that we are never able to reacquire once it is gone. And it is not money, it is not material items, it is time. Time with your family, time with your children, time to make memories. The truth is, every morning when you wake up, you are living minutes you will never get back. Capture them, savor them, remember them. This is your opportunity to embrace this gift, and every second sees a little of it slip away. If there is one thing I know, it is this. There is no moment more important, more perfect than right now. Not in a week, not when my boys are older, not when I retire, now. Time slips away through our hands, and try as we might, we cannot stop it. So embrace it. See, we have this mentality that the future is going to somehow mean more than the present. That if we suffer now, or if we're unhappy now, that we'll save the best in life for some other time. We feel that there will always be a tomorrow, and tomorrow will be easier, more meaningful. It might be. The truth is, we don't know about tomorrow. All we have is today. Now, this moment. Seize it. Own it. Remember it. We are not getting any younger, and time stops for no one. So we have a choice. Live for today or wait for tomorrow. I choose today. Today is the day I will travel with my boys. Today is the day I will go hiking in the mountains and kayaking in the ocean. Today is the day I will make memories that will last a lifetime. I will no longer wait for the perfect moment, because it is now. This is perfection. This single instant is timeless, and I'm exactly where I want to be.